Hey, tech enthusiasts! Brace yourselves because leaked images of the iPhone 16 camera modules have just surfaced, igniting excitement and speculation among tech lovers everywhere. You won't believe what Apple has in store for us. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated iPhone 16 and its game changing camera system. As always, Apple is pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology, and this time, they're set to revolutionize mobile photography. With each new smartphone release, manufacturers face the daunting challenge of innovating and improving camera capabilities to meet and exceed consumer expectations. The demand for higher quality images, better low light performance, and advanced features keeps pushing the envelope. So, how does the iPhone 16 tackle these challenges? Let's take a closer look at the leaked images of the iPhone 16 camera modules. The unconventional arrangement of these modules is sparking a lot of buzz. From the placement to the size and shape of the lenses, this setup hints at a host of potential benefits. Could this be the secret to better image stabilization, enhanced depth sensing, or even more advanced AI photography features? The possibilities are endless, and the tech world is abuzz with speculation. And now, a moment we've all been waiting for, the reveal of the unique arrangement of the iPhone 16 camera modules. Apple has taken a groundbreaking approach with an innovative layout that redefines smartphone photography. This new design is a clear indication that Apple is not just keeping up with the competition, but setting new standards for the entire industry. Whether it's through improved zoom capabilities, superior low-light performance, or cutting-edge computational photography, the iPhone 16 is poised to change the game forever. To wrap things up, the leaked iPhone 16 camera modules are more than just a design tweak. They represent a potential revolution in the smartphone industry. Apple's commitment to innovation and excellence shines through, promising us a future where mobile photography reaches new heights. Stay tuned for more updates as we uncover more about this exciting development. Before we go, we want to hear from you. What do you think about the new camera arrangement on the iPhone 16? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech leaks and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.